Welcome to Vision Vanguard, your ultimate guide to launching a successful YouTube channel. We're here to illuminate your path, whether you're just dipping your toes into the YouTube waters or looking to up your game. Our mission? To provide you with practical, step-by-step instructions, tips, and insights, helping you navigate the YouTube landscape with confidence. So, buckle up and join us as we unleash the secrets of YouTube success. The journey to your dream YouTube channel starts here. Are you ready to share your passion with the world? The first step is to define your niche and audience. It's all about identifying what you love and who you're speaking to. Think about your passions, your expertise, and how those align with the type of audience you want to attract. Understanding your niche and target audience is key to creating content that resonates, content that speaks directly to the hearts and minds of your viewers. Your niche and audience set the foundation for your YouTube journey. Step 2, it's time to set up your YouTube channel. This step involves a bit of technical know-how, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Start by choosing a profile picture that represents you or your brand. Next, design a channel banner that's catchy and reflects your content's vibe. Lastly, fill out the About section with a compelling description of what viewers can expect from your channel. A well-set-up channel welcomes viewers and sets the stage for your content. Now, on to the heart of your channel, creating high-quality content. This is where your passion truly gets to shine. It's more than just hitting the record button and hoping for the best. It involves careful planning, thoughtful filming, and meticulous editing. Start with brainstorming. What message do you want your video to convey? What story are you telling? Then comes the filming. This isn't just about high resolution, but also about good lighting, clear audio, and engaging visuals. And let's not forget about editing. This is where you can add a bit of magic to your content, transforming raw footage into a compelling narrative. Consistency is the name of the game. Whether it's your tone, your style, or your upload schedule, being consistent helps your audience know what to expect. High-quality content is what keeps your audience coming back for more. Step 4. Let's boost your visibility by optimizing your videos for search. Now, this is where the magic of SEO, or search engine optimization, comes into play. It's all about making your videos easier to find among the millions of videos on YouTube. First off, use relevant keywords. Think about the words and phrases your target audience might type into the search bar when looking for content like yours. Include these in your titles, descriptions, and even in your video tags. Next, create compelling video thumbnails. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression, so make it count. It should be visually appealing and accurately represent your video content. Lastly, craft engaging titles and descriptions. Your title should be catchy yet clear about what your video is about. Your description, on the other hand, should provide additional information and context about your video. Optimizing your videos for search helps them get discovered in the vast YouTube landscape. The golden rule of YouTube: developing a consistent posting schedule. It's paramount to establish a rhythm that suits both you and your audience. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, stick to a schedule that works for you. This not only helps you plan and organize your content, but also builds trust with your viewers. They'll know when to expect new content, which enhances their engagement. Remember, consistency is key in this journey. A consistent schedule keeps your audience eagerly awaiting your next upload. Step 6. Engage with your viewers and build a community. This is a pivotal step in your YouTube journey. Remember, your viewers are not just passive spectators, they're active participants in your content creation. Make them feel valued by responding to their comments, asking for their feedback, and maintaining a positive and interactive environment. This not only helps to build a rapport, but also fosters loyalty. Engaging with your viewers turns them into a supportive community. Last but vital, analyze and adapt your strategy. As you journey through the world of YouTube, it's essential to regularly check in with your channel's performance. This involves diving deep into your analytics to understand what's resonating with your audience and what's falling flat. Are your videos about cooking getting more views than your gardening ones? Maybe your audience prefers your humorous commentary to your more serious discussions. This analysis isn't just for show, it's about adapting your strategy based on what you learn. If certain types of content are performing better, consider focusing more on those. Or perhaps you discover that your videos get more views when posted at a particular time of day. Use this information to refine your posting schedule. Remember, YouTube isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Continually tweaking your approach based on your analytics will help ensure your channel's longevity. Analyzing and adapting your strategy ensures your channel continues to grow and evolve.